I have not prepared any presentation at all, so we will try to demo the service that we have already running. First of all, introduce ourselves. We are eFace2Face. We are a US-based startup company that have the technology office here in Madrid. And among our team, we have a very talented people, like, for example, Vladimir Ralev, who was a former Red Bull and Hot GBoss developer, and also the core developer of GSZip, and also Iñaki Paz, who is one of the authors of the zip over WebSocket RFC, and also the author of Overzip and GSZip. So, as I said, well, I put it's a bit bigger. So we have our servers deployed using Google Cloud Compute Engine. So we are using Movithet SIM servlets as in most of our infrastructure. We have built the service with high availability and load balancing in mind. So as we are going to target mainly banks and credit unions and attorneys' offices that requires a high level of availability. So we have build a quite complex architecture from a technology overview. We have all our traffic is we have an endpoint that is an NGX reverse proxy that handles all the HTTPS and WebSocket service, and then we redirect it to different nodes depending on the URL. So we have, for example, the zips over WebSocket being proxied to a register server that it resides in the NGX modules. We have a PBX that we have created our own on top of Movithet zip servlets. We are also using our MCU that it is well, this is my MCU from Medus, that also they use the Google Cloud Compute Engine and to create a new mystery instance on demand based on the load. So we are also obviously using the Google SQL, so everything on the cloud, so everything was perfect. So we will show you, or we'll try to show you, because the Wi-Fi here is horrible. So and now we have the service online. I will try to. I'm tethering through the phone, so and Vodafone is not playing really nice with WebRTC. It's dropping all the UDP packets. I don't know why. Who knows? So mostly only P2P will work, and we will not be able to show the MCU because it requires connecting to the server. So, well, as I have said before, our services focus mainly on banks and verticals. So we have, instead of creating a platform and deliver open APIs, we have focused really much on what the banks and attorneys groups need. So this will be the storefront page from one of the banks that may be our customers, that will include a widget that will connect to our service. We have created the PBX so we can redirect the customers to the agents that are nearest to his service, because in US, for example, not all attorneys are allowed to work or to give services to in all the states. So we need to geolocate the users somehow. So we don't want to be too intrusive. So we just request the zip code. And then you can choose the services that you will be interested in talking to. So I will log now into the agent computer. So the status is updated in real time, so we will be able to start the WebRTC call. So, well, obviously this worked because it's WebRTC, so nothing to see here. And we have created, as I said before, we have thought about the special use case about the banking. So we are able to, we have integrated an e-sign, electronic signature a solution from one of our partners. And so we are able to, I will start. So we are able, I need to, okay. So we are able to share documents and allow the user to electronically sign them. This is not a WebRTC screen share. This is an application sharing that allows us to give control to the remote user. So he's able to sign the document. Everything is set. So also a part of that, we are able to share applications running on the clients, on the agent's computers. For example, we are going to share the WordPad. So also, as you see, we are able to give control to the user so he can manage the applications and start typing into here. We will also be able, if we were in a proper network, to escalate this to an MCU call that allow us to add new clients and agents to the call. So for example, maybe you need to ask your wife also to join, so you both share or you sign the documents for your mortgage or whatever. This is not going to work because I'm not going to show you because, as I told you, the tethering is going to drop the packets. So, and that's it. So thank you very much for joining.